We are gonna go over how to use wrist wraps VersaGrips today. So number one, when we use a wrist wrap, whether they're a more traditional one or the VersaGrips, these are just my preferred method of wrist wraps. We are only using them when we are getting to a point where we can do more of an exercise if our grip just wouldn't go out, or we could go heavier with our dumbbells, but our hands just can't handle the load. So one of the best examples of this is something like an RDL or a Bulgarian split squat. We have the dumbbells in our hands or we have the barbell in our hands, and we keep feeling our grip give out, even though it feels like we have a few more reps in the tank. So this is where we can help distribute some of the load for our grip and be able to keep going and maximize gains in the muscle that we're actually trying to work. So yes, we do want to improve grip strength, but we can do that through other methods if your grip strength is really truly that weak. We also only want to use the wrist wraps when this is happening. We don't want to use it every single time that we pick up a dumbbell or a barbell, because again, we do still want to improve grip strength in general. But if you're getting into your really heavy sets and you just feel like your grip is the limiting factor, we're gonna go ahead and grab the wrist wraps. Now, for me, you notice I flipped my smartwatch around before I even go to put them on. I have a stretchy watch band. You may want to take your watch off altogether. We just want to move that out of the way because the wrist wraps might start pressing the buttons on you. They should also be labeled left and right for you on the straps to know which hands they go on. So getting them on first, get them nice and tight right around the base of the wrist, right where the hand meets the wrist. And then when we go to use them, we are going to slide the leather underneath the dumbbell, and we are going to use our fingers to grab that leather and wrap it around. Hi, Hazel. So once it is under there, you can then go ahead and twist your hand to tighten the leather to make sure that the grip is nice and strong, and then you will see you have a nice firm grip on your dumbbell and or a barbell. So again, both sides work the same way. You're gonna do the same thing if you're using a barbell. You're just gonna do it both hands at the same time. So leather goes under the dumbbell, just like so, using our fingers to wrap around, grab it, and now you have your nice firm grip. That is how you use the VersaGrips.